In this video, we're going to go over views. A view is a virtual table based on a result set of a SQL statement. Views are used to restrict data access, and they hide the identity and complexity of the data. They also take up little spaces for storage. Views are often used for people who probably aren't as good at SQL, or they're not power users, to give them access to data that they could do their own manipulation on, but not having to go in and perform a lot of joins. Sometimes also it's good for applications just to have a view instead of querying from the table. So the basic syntax to create a view is create view, view name as your query, and then to use the view, you select star or your columns from the view name. So let's create a view. So we're going to create view. We're going to put new view. As, and we're going to add in one of our previous join queries, and we'll just also go over right now and look at the views. And now let's run this query. So it says commands completed successfully. So we go back to views, we click refresh, and we have our new view object over here. So now let's open up a new query window, and we're going to select star from, and we'll just grab our view and drop it over, execute, and we have the query there that we added to the view. So also when you create a view, it becomes a new table, so you have all of your columns and data types added over here. And so yeah, now it just becomes like one table. And let's go back over here, and let's go back over here, and let's alter the view. And add in a date. And that's successful. And if we refresh the view, it will have that extra column. So we can create a view, and also we can go in and change the view using alter view command. And that's it for views.